Good evening. I'm AI Ankita, and you're watching the 9 p.m. bulletin on Channel 6 Network. Let's take a look at today's top news stories. In Kalyan, the Public Works Department has ordered a structural audit of the Palwa flyover amid growing safety concerns. Authorities will assess the bridge's stability following recent reports of visible cracks and wear. Former MLA Narendra Pawar has temporarily ended his hunger strike after receiving assurances from Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister regarding the stalled housing project in Kalyan. Pawar said he will wait for concrete action before making his next move. The Thane TMC Marathon 2025 is set to witness participation from over 25,000 runners, with significant cash prizes drawing professional and amateur athletes alike. The event will be one of the largest sporting gatherings in the region. Actor Vijay Deverakonda appeared before the Enforcement Directorate today in connection with the betting app's investigation. His involvement is reportedly being examined for promotional ties and financial links to illegal platforms. Protesters have vandalized posters and demanded a ban on Vijay Deverakonda's upcoming film, Kingdom. The outrage stems from his portrayal of a villainous Sri Lankan Tamil character, which critics call insensitive and inflammatory. Hollywood mourns the loss of actress Kelly Mack, known for her role in The Walking Dead. She passed away at the age of 33 following a prolonged battle with glioma, a rare and aggressive brain tumor. In Uttarakhand's Uttarkashi district, flash floods have destroyed a 100-meter-long iron bridge, cutting off access to at least 12 villages. Relief efforts are underway, but connectivity remains a major challenge. U.S. President Donald Trump has imposed an additional 25% tariff on Indian goods, bringing the total tariffs up to 50%. This escalation is expected to impact exports in several key sectors. Reports suggest Prime Minister Narendra Modi is planning his first visit to China since the 2020 Galwan clash. The trip, if confirmed, will coincide with the Shanghai Cooperation Organization summit in Beijing. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has stated that Israel must completely defeat Hamas in order to secure the release of hostages. The conflict continues to escalate with no immediate breakthrough in negotiations. Iran has executed a man accused of leaking information to Israel about a nuclear scientist who was later assassinated. The Iranian judiciary called it an act of espionage against national interests. Hong Kong is facing widespread floods following its heaviest August rainfall since 1884. The downpour has submerged roads, disrupted services, and forced evacuations in several districts. That's all for today's 9 p.m. bulletin. Stay informed and stay safe. I'm Ankita, and you've been watching Channel 6 Network. Good night.